Why does InDesign Overprint cause unwanted color mixing in print? Have you ever wondered why colors can look different when printed compared to what you see on your screen? One common reason is overprinting in Adobe InDesign. Overprinting occurs when one color is printed directly on top of another, instead of knocking out the underlying color. This technique can lead to unexpected color mixing, which is not always desirable. When two colors overlap, the bottom color is usually knocked out, meaning that area is left blank before the top color is printed. This process keeps each color pure. However, when overprint is enabled, the top color prints over the bottom color, causing the inks to blend. For instance, if you print 100% magenta over 100% cyan, the result is a violet where they overlap, rather than pure magenta or cyan. This blending can create muddy or darker areas in your print, which may not match your original design. Overprinting is often used intentionally for spot colors or to create trapping effects, which help prevent gaps between colors. But if overprint is applied incorrectly, especially with process colors like cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, it can lead to color shifts that differ from what you see on your screen. InDesign's overprint settings impact both fills and strokes. Sometimes, colors that appear white or very light may still be set to overprint, which can cause them not to print as expected. It is important to remember that overprint only works properly when the document color mode is set to cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and the output device supports overprinting. To avoid unwanted color mixing, use overprint only when necessary and understand how it affects ink layering. You can preview overprints in InDesign or Adobe Acrobat by enabling Overprint Preview. This feature allows you to see how colors will blend before printing. It is also wise to consult with your print service provider to confirm their device's overprint capabilities and recommended settings. For overlapping process colors, consider using blending modes like multiply and effects instead of overprint. Additionally, avoid setting white or very light colors to overprint, as they may not print at all. For most overlapping colors, using knockout settings is advisable to prevent mixing unless you specifically want a trapping or spot color effect. By mastering these overprint principles and previewing your work carefully, you can control when and how colors mix in print. This approach helps ensure that your printed output aligns with your design intent accurately.